Welcome, I'm Mike F. Robbins, and today I want to show you a little bit about a new module that I've created called MrInspector. It can be installed from the PowerShell gallery using the install module commandlet. And what MrInspector is it's a PowerShell syntax inspector or linter. And you can run this command against a number of scripts. So the only command that's in the module today is Get-MrSyntax, but I'll be adding more and adding additional functionality. So you can point Get-MrSyntax at one or more script files, and it returns the commands or commandlets or functions and all the parameters that were specified for each one of those commands. It also returns the file, but as you can see, it's cut off, and I'll probably add custom formatting to the module to not return the file by default. Another recommendation that was made is to add the line number in the script where the command is specified. So this time I'll just run the command and I'll point it at more than one script file just to show that it does run against more than one file. You can also run it against an entire folder of scripts. They can be PS1 or PSM1 files, but you can run get child item and then pipe that to Get-MrSyntax. In addition to pipeline input, you could do the same thing with parameter input. But the function uses the PowerShell AST, so it's really neat to take a look at, and I made the command as simple as possible, so hopefully it'll help others get started using the abstract syntax tree. And thank you for watching the video.